Welcome to my channel Z Tech. Today we are going to fix NSIS error for VLC launching installer on Windows 10. So let's start. Firstly, this error caused because of two reasons. First is that your VLC is downloaded corruptly. So it is checked by checking the MB of your VLC media player. Just go to your installer setup, right click it and open its properties for checking the MB. Just like that I can show you. Just click on it, right click and go to properties, and here you can see 23.5 MB out of 24.74. It is correct MB. Now you can check the language in which you can download. It is checked through using path. You can see if there is path, it is in English, or if you have any Urdu or any other language word here, then you can don't install your VLC. It will contain errors and your installation will be blocked. Now another, I hope if these two checks are clear, then your VLC is correct. Otherwise we have another method to launch VLC media player or check we solve this error. Simply go to search and type here cmd command and open it. Always remember to run it as an administrator. Just drag and drop here. Then you can write space backslash capital, remember capital NCRC, and press enter. If the command start installing your VLC media player then or any other software, then your software is error proof. Or if it does not, then it contains some error and you have to reinstall it. So you can see my PC start installing. Thank you for watching. Your error will be solved. Please subscribe my channel.